Guys, I am back for another quick and easy and simple brew day. Sort of sticking to those while I'm using the hot water urn. Still on those darn water restrictions here. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a smash. So my malt is going to be all Vienna, so 1.7 kilos of milled Vienna malt there, and then I'm going to be pairing it with 100 grams of Sabro hops, which are relatively new to New Zealand as far as us home brewers are concerned. I know it's been available overseas for quite a while. So yeah, Sabro hops from the US, 15.6% alpha acid, and I believe the hop characters of this are things like tropical fruit, citrus, some I think distinct sort of tangerine, coconut, and some mint I think was another description. So really looking forward to using these, which is why I thought I'd just do a smash beer to get a really good sense of the Sabro hops. So yeah, we'll carry on. So I'm just about to bring up the water to strike temp, and then we will mash in. So yeah, I'll see you shortly. Okay, so we've mashed in. Forgot how good the old Vienna malt smells. Fantastic aroma coming off there. The only other thing I've done is I've put in about half a teaspoon of calcium sulphate just to try and help those hops pop a bit more. And we are going to mash at 67 degrees for 60 minutes. So we'll put the lid on and we will come back. Okay, so the mash is finished. Pull the grain bag out. Now we're just going to sparge about 75 degree water just to get our pre-boil volume. Whoops. So I'll finish doing that and I'll see you at the next stage. Okay, so the boil is underway. Nice sort of quite a rich brown colour from that Vienna malt. So I'm not doing any hop additions until flame out, so we will come back then. Okay, so the boil has finished. Now I'd normally will pull the flame out hops from 100 degrees, but because the Sabro hops are 15.6% alpha acid, I don't think I'm going to be able to whirlpool down to 80 degrees quick enough without imparting too much bitterness from the hops. So what I've done is I've whirlpooled down to 90 degrees, and we're going to put the hops in. And then I will continue to whirlpool down to 80, and then we'll do a hop stand for a total of 20 minutes. So we'll do that and I'll come back. Okay, so the brew has finished and I've got the fermenter in the fridge, just finishing the last of the cooling down before I pitch the trusty USO5 yeast. I thought I'd quickly show you the hydro sample. So there it is there. So nice sort of orangey colour there from the Vienna malt, which would be quite nice when it's finished, have a bit of colour there. So I can't do a chill down in the urn. I did use a part of a Whirfloc tablet to help drop out all the solids, etc., but it is still quite hazy in the tube here, but hopefully that'll all fall out in the fermenter. So yeah, we'll get a taste on it. So it came out at 1052. There's a nice moderate level of bitterness there, which is usually the main aim of tasting the sample here. So yeah, whirlpooling down to 90 before pitching that Sabro I think was a good idea. If I'd done it at 100 with that 15.6% alpha acids, I think I would have ended up with way too much bitterness from that flame out. So happy with that sort of level of bitterness. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how the combo of the Vienna and the Sabro turns out. So thanks for watching, guys. So I'll be fermenting this over probably the next 10 days. We'll chuck it in the keg, give it a couple of days, and then we'll do a taste test. So stay tuned, probably about 2 weeks time from now we'll be doing that. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.